guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. By popular request, today's video is going to be on this low bun with Gajra for the festive season. It's a very quick low bun which doesn't need much effort but still looks very classy, and you can do it on short hair, long hair, textured hair, straight hair, wavy hair, whatever you have. So it's more like a universal low bun with Gajra, which looks very elegant. And of course, we have today's giveaway coming up at the end. Stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to partition my hair in the center because it's just easier to apply a sindoor or a tika. You don't have to do a partition, or you can also do a side part, whatever you prefer. And to part my hair, I'm using a ragtail comb. And then I'm going to part two more sections in front. I'm going to twist the hair in front at the very end when I'm doing the finishing touches. You don't have to do this. This is optional. If you like the sleek low buns, you can take all the hair in the back. But I like it a little textured and loose in front, and that's why I'm doing this. And with all the hair in the back, I'm going to tie a low ponytail. I'm just using a black rubber band because it's a closer match to my hair color. And in the last round, while I'm tying the rubber band, I'm going to stop midway. I'm not going to pull all the hair out. So that should leave you with a bun and some extra hair. If your hair is shorter, you will have shorter extra hair or no extra hair, which doesn't even matter. For now, we'll just work with the bun and keep the extra hair aside. So all we have to do with this bun is spread it out like you're fanning it out and pin it on either sides. I'm going to work on one side at a time. You have more control that way. And I'm using a bobby pin to secure my hair. You don't have to worry about the bobby pin showing now. It'll be concealed later, so it'll all come together. For now, let's go ahead and secure the hair. I'm going to neaten up the bun. If you prefer, you can also use a hairspray. With the extra hair, I'm going to take it around the bun and pin it. If you don't have the extra hair, you don't have to do this step. And the bun should look something like this. Now it's time to decorate the bun. You can decorate it the way you prefer. I got this Gajra string from India when I was there last time. So I'm going to first go around the bun with the Gajra. And I made this hair ornament from a broken necklace. Basically, I just attached a couple of chains and a hook on top. So all I have to do is hook it in the bun. And here's the completed bun from the back. Got done so quickly, yet looks so traditional. Now let's work on the hair in front. The easiest thing to do with the hair in front is just pin it in the back. But I like a little bit of texture, as I mentioned before. So I'm going to take a small part of hair in front and divide it into two sections and start twisting it. And as I twist, I'm going to keep joining more hair from the front. I'm going to go down all the way up to my ear and then give it a good twist and pin it up in the back. And then I'm going to repeat the same on the other side as well. For today's giveaway question, I wanted to know what your dream destination is. Is there a place that you've always wanted to visit? Let me know in the comment section below, and good luck. Again, I'm doing giveaways throughout the month, and if you need more information, it's in the description box right below this video. I'm going to lightly loosen up the twists in front. And in the partition, as I mentioned before, you can do the sindoor or you can also use the tika. For the sake of tutorials, I'm going to be using tika today. It's a mismatch with my earrings, but that's okay. I just want to show you how it looks. That's pretty much it. It's your low, classy, traditional bun without any attachments. And if you plan to recreate this hairdo, please don't forget to tag me on social media. All the links are in the description box below. And good luck with the giveaway. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.